ZANU-PF's Harare province has been plunged into chaos over growing tensions and factional battles, with the provincial chairperson Goodwill Masimrembwa said to be at the center of the storm. Sanapinamba shukubudani questions Iowa, ZANU-PF pangwa inoi, Iowa irim in turmoil. Notable subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina unamubudani kwa mchenzi. Provincial Youth Chairperson Emmanuel Mahachi is being targeted for pegging by Masimrembwa and his camp over a slew of allegations as factional fights boil over. Masimrembwa is accused of weaponizing his office against political opponents. On the other hand, Mahachi is accused of forming a company reportedly linked to the Youth League without the knowledge or consent of the Provincial Executive Council. In quotes, this appears contrary to agreed positions from a duly constituted PEC Provincial Executive Committee meeting, and as such, clarity and direction are urgently needed to preserve procedural fidelity. A letter addressed to Mahachi by the Youth League Provincial Secretary for Administration, Miriam Mushamba, read, Mahachi was also accused of lacking transparency in the presidential housing stamps program rollout in Harare province. The letter called for a full update on the status of the initiative, citing growing concern over how beneficiaries were selected and the general rollout of the program. Mushamba questioned the legitimacy of recent co-option process, implying that some appointments may have breached party protocols and constitution. In quotes, questions have been raised concerning the manner in which recent co-options were affected, with indications that some processes may not be fully adhered to the party constitution and established protocols. The letter read, there is growing confusion around the circulation of minutes purporting to originate from the PEC meeting chaired by your office. This, the letter noted, has deepened divisions and disrupted cohesion among members. Contacted for comment, Mahachi vaguely said he was being targeted by Masimrembwa's allies. The person who wrote the letter is not mandated to do so, Mahachi said. The one who wrote that letter is being used by someone I know who has agenda to divide the Youth League. The provincial Harare province in a deep tunnel. There are some people varikupomerwa mhaka nematensions aripo nekubrecha the constitution and the ruling party ZANU-PF. Tidziye mafungiro enyu motodi pamusoro pechiitiko chimira comment section medu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.